publish a first course with imported contents. After the basic configurations and look and feel of your LMS site are done, it is time to start adding courses to populate your course catalog. This is certainly the most challenging part of any starting online learning initiative, but in this video series, we are going to introduce the process step by step. The first thing we are going to cover will be to publish a course that is already prepared. This will allow us to get to the end result and get an overview of the whole process without diving into the details of creating the contents of the online course. For this purpose, we will use a template that eduNEXT has prepared and contains a basic course that your registered users can take to learn how to navigate and use the platform. You could even use it in your LMS site as it is, or you can take it as a starting point and then add your own contents and enhancements. Let's start. Access the Studio platform by the corresponding URL. Keep in mind you'll be able to find the URL for Studio in the eduNEXT Control Center, and that you'll need to log in with a user that has course creation permissions. Once in Studio, in the upper right corner you'll find the New Course button. You'll need to provide a course name, select an organization, provide a course number or alphanumeric code that will identify your course, and a course run or alphanumeric code that references this particular version of the course. The organization, course number, and course run need to be carefully selected, as once the course is created, it will not be possible to change them, and they will be seen in the URL of any of the course external and internal pages. After the creation process ends, your new course will be listed in the Studio homepage, but once you enter, you will notice that it is mostly empty and many of the configurations still require fine-tuning. We are going to take this shell course and import into it an already prepared course package. From the Tools option in the top menu, go to Import, and when prompted for the course file, use the file in .tar.gz format provided by eduNEXT. Keep in mind that the course import process overrides any existing content in the course, so it should be performed carefully or in an empty course. When the import is finished, you can click on View Updated Outline, and you will see the content from the imported course, and you will notice that the name of the course has been overwritten along with all the course configurations. Your new course was prepared to be fully ready, so it will now be published and appear in the course catalog and the homepage, so you can now have learners come and register to your site via the LMS registration page and then find your course in the catalog and enroll to it in order to take it. You can also explore the course yourself, both from the LMS as a learner would and from Studio as a course author, in order to understand many of the possibilities that the open edX platform has and that your own courses will leverage. In the following video, we will explore the process of creating, populating, and configuring your own courses.